Feature Summary Illustrator on the desktop, October 2020 release. Learn about new features and enhancements in the October 2020 release of Illustrator on the desktop, version 25.0. Welcome everyone into my channel Everything PS. With you MD. If this is your first visit to our channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification button. Do not forget to leave your feedback and your suggestions down below in the comments. This will help me to improve the content of our channel. Recolor Artwork. We've improved the recoloring feature to help you explore different color variations for your artwork. You can now pick a color palette from any artwork or images using Color Theme Picker and apply them in your designs. You can also use color variations instantly using predefined colors from the color library or create your own colors using the color wheel. For more information, you will find a link in the description box. Enhanced Cloud Documents. The following enhancements are made to Illustrator Cloud Documents. You can now embed your Adobe Photoshop Cloud Documents into Illustrator Documents. You can easily access previously saved versions of Cloud Documents, preview, mark, and revert to earlier versions as needed. You can make your Cloud Documents available offline. For more information, you will find a link in the description box. Smart Glyph Snapping. You can now use the Snap to Glyph feature to snap your artwork components precisely with the text or glyph bounds. Simply choose a snapping line option and you'll see the guides when you move objects around the text. Follow these guides to snap your objects. You can also drag and snap a shape precisely with the anchor points on the text. For more information, you will find a link in the description box. Type Enhancements. The following enhancements are made to the text alignment in Illustrator. Align text vertically. Align text vertically to the top, middle, or bottom of a text frame. For more information, you will find a link in the description box. Font height variations. The character panel in Illustrator now lets you set the actual font height reference. It is useful when you want to align your objects precisely with the text. For more information, you will find a link in the description box. Align to glyph bounds. You can now align objects precisely with the visual glyph bounds. For more information, you will find a link in the description box. Here we go, we are done for today. Do not forget to leave your comment down below to help me to improve the content of the channel. See you next time. Goodbye.